I want to show you another type of spreadsheet technology. This time it's using Google Sheets, so much like Google Slides and Google Docs, the Google platform can save and help you create Excel type sheets as well. So again, just Google Sheets and then click on this top one and go to Google Sheets. Here you can create a blank spreadsheet, or you can use one from the template gallery, again depending on what you want to do it for. So if you want to do a calendar or a budget, anything you might need it for. So here you click on the blank one, and it's exactly the same as Microsoft Spreadsheets, except for Google will save this for you as you go along, so you don't have to worry about that. And if you wanted to, again, you can file and download that as an Excel spreadsheet as well, or even as a PDF document or a web page, depending on what you want to use it for and what the overall objectives and purposes are.